In this session, I am going to teach you, after cleaning the data, how you can also do the descriptive analysis now. So the descriptive analysis, in a simple terms, I would like to say, is called as the statistical analysis. So if your business owners are expecting that they want to see the descriptive analysis for the income or the gender or the birth, and they want to see the averages of the ages of their customers, or they want to see their average income of the customers and most commonly use the income and where the people are falling. So all those informations you can also extract. So how you can do it now? I just quickly navigate towards the file, and in the file I just move towards the options, and here in the options you will be able to see that we have this pop-up will be presenting in front of us, and here I just need to select my add-ins, and in the add-ins I just move towards my manage screen. So in the manage screen you will be able to see that I have selected the Excel ads in, and you just need to click on the go button. Once you click on the go button, the different options are showing in front of us, and for the descriptive analysis you just need to select the first option. After selecting the first option, what you need to do now, you just need to click on the OK. By the way, I just, for your information, why this is not by default selecting in the main Excel, Microsoft Excel ribbon, because as per the Microsoft, when once you will be selecting this option, that will take your more than 1 GB memory data now. So that is the reason Excel is by default not showing this information in their main interface and in their main ribbon now. So once you will also play and complete your analysis, make sure you will again come and follow the same steps and uncheck this option and click on the OK. But currently I am interested to do the descriptive analysis, so I just need to select this option and click on the OK button. Once I click on the OK button, so I want to see where this option is showing. So if I move towards the data, and in the data you will be able to see at the right side top ribbon, here my data analysis options are available for my descriptive analysis. Now this is the point where I can practically show you how you can further perform your descriptive analysis. So I want to perform the descriptive analysis on my income. So if I just click select my column, and then if I just click here on the data analysis, so there are so many different analysis types are showing in front of us. Excel providing the ANOVA test and the correlation and covariance, but we are more interested to see the descriptive statistical analysis now, and we are now interested for the other types of analysis. So if I just click on the descriptive analysis, and if I just click on the OK button, that will ask me that where you want to see the information. So you just need to specify your range of the sheet here now. So I just want to select my range here. You can specify like this column, and then you can also specify like 5,000 two rows I am interested in. And here is the first row. I selected that will be my column, and after that where I want to see the information, so that will be showing me in the new worksheet I already selected. And once I click on the OK button, so this will be select that descriptive analysis. I just need to select it now for the 3. So this will, so after selecting this one, that will be asking me that you just need to select your new worksheet, and also I am interested for my summarized statistical analysis. And once I click on the OK button, now here you will be able to see that will be presenting me the complete information about my column, and you can see that this is the income column I have selected now. So here you can just write down the income, and you can merge this column now together, and this is how you will be able to see that your main data descriptive analysis is showing now. So if you just control A and control T and convert this one in the column, and you will be able to see that this is your income column, and mostly people average income is 55 and their median value will be the 38, and most commonly people have the income the 22 now. And the further statistical analysis, you can see the skewness. If greater than -1 and +1, then you need to select the median value. Now this is the for this shows that your data is not a consistent, it's spreading a lot. So in such kind of situation, you just need to select the median. So I hope that you will be able to know that how you can perform that descriptive analysis and follow the same kinds of steps now. Thank you very much for watching.